lifestyle topics, lifestyle update in movies, sports, drama, and dancehall, hip hop, and all entertainment. Like, share, subscribe to channel so you get all the new videos.
In lifestyle topics today, we have got a real Gaza uncle defending his territory and telling everybody that he is only affiliation of Gaza. He will diss anybody that diss Gaza. So, Fryneck and Ruli Fryneck versus the real Gaza uncle. Let's get into it on lifestyle topics.
So why not name on a channel Cartel or Gaza or not like that because you can left anytime and go with no channel. Me plant my channel. As what them say, oh, you plant the channel like man foot. Yes. So what? Me plant my channel a Gaza foot. And so what? It's a Gaza channel. Enough time we see it happen, you know. Little bit after a while, people just drift and move on. Me no know more Gaza than anybody else, you know. Just this is what I want to tell you, know. But you see, over here, so, you got to put respect on my artist name. The rest of people them with disrespect can stay in a bush. That me I tell you no. The rest of people them with disrespect can live. But you can't come over here, so if you utter your mouth, nobody over here not get. And me have to say, do not shoot this person, leave him. Let me hear myself first. You enter this place at your own risk. You know about type of people who have no channel where this cartel and them something. Them not run them joke there. That a phone problem, brother. Me and Uno are two different. Uno do entertainment for people laugh. Me do them something there, brother. Me not do them something there. Me sorry, me not do them something there, dog.
Over here, so Bruce is okay for the time that you were here. If it was led to believe that is a musical platform, yes, so. Yes, beautiful smile. The programming was playing, but a lot of things going where me just explain certain things presently beautiful. You see me? So you see this platform, it isn't musically driven. You notice when Bruce have to talk about him unruly business, where Bruce go? Bruce is an unruly personnel. So Bruce have a designated yard for that. All right, beautiful. You get what I say? So you see, if you follow over yourself, you think that every day a music thing, well, you're not going to expect that. Well, you're not going to see that. And if you follow over yourself and think that Bruce are going to pick side, well, you're not going to see that. You hear that? Big man thing. If you fall over here, so things say it's a side thing on Friday platform, you're not going to see that. So if today will be the last day you forward, thank you for the time that you was here. I appreciated you being here. If it was your subscription, give thanks for your subscribe for make me reach from reach. Thank you. But kudos. Kudos on the way out. You hear me say? If you don't want to hear Bruce reason about music, you notice how Bruce do it. We will separate it. People might follow over here, son. Me know. Saturday. We will wait. Alright, my sister, you want to do a pop-up live over unruly? I will wait. I have that patient enough for wait. Big man thing. So when you follow over here, so have that in mind always. The type of platform you enter. The grounds will govern the platform here. You get me, I say? Because, you see, going to certain things are building us up. A lot of people there from day one with me. From day zero with me. A lot of people. I'm not going to make sure side influence. I mash up my platform, brother. You hear that? I pick my side, I will do that over unruly. Yes, sir. A political Jamaican platform. It's not segregated to one thing. So you say if you don't want to hear that, brother, don't come back. If you subscribe, take your subscription back. Thank you for it because your memory can be to the monetization part and all of that. So thank you for it. Thank you for the likes. But kudos, bro. If that was the expectation. You hear me say? Yeah. Thank you for all of that. When you follow yourself, bro, let go all of that energy there, bro.